Start with your back flat on the floor, hips and knees bent 90 degrees so your lower legs are parallel to the floor. Throughout the entire workout, keep your arms out to the sides. Exhale as you contract the abs to curl your hips and knees toward your chest. Your knees should remain at the same angle throughout this upward phase. Hold the crunch when you cannot curl without your upper back coming off the mat. Slowly return to the starting position with your hips back on the mat and your knees over your hips, still bent 90 degrees. Repeat this exercise for as many repetitions as needed.